I received these two packages at different times. They're from two different companies, and I absolutely love the packages based on the fact that both of them make high quality gear. One is an American made, and one is made in Finland, Poland, and most of their products are sold by a company by the name of Savolta. So this is by Savolta, and this is the Ascari Hip Pack, and it's in green. And it's a very large hip pack. You have this backside here that has the straps that attach to your waist. You can wear this as a sling. It's very, very large. You can carry a number of items in here. You got so much room inside of this hip pack. And you got some information you can read here, and it gives you the warranty. All of their products are mostly 5 years. And you can see here, Finn Savolta, Oi, Karstula, Finland. And so they make high quality gear. And you'll notice one thing that the pack is very, very large. And that's one of the reasons why I picked this hip pack, because this hip pack can be transferred to a certain rucksacks, or better known as backpacks. It can be transferred and connected to multiple different packs that are made by this particular company. You see there's a lot of molly webbing on the sides and on the front here, but it's a great hip pack. Now, I want to talk about this pack. This pack is a chest rig. You can see you have your straps here. You have your netting in the back for ventilation. And it's one of multiple different packs that this particular company makes. This is an American company called Hill People Gear. And you see it's got two front pockets here. You got a large pocket here and multiple pockets inside. And it's absolutely amazing. And you can hang your keys from some of these links here. And then you have a secondary pocket that is back here. And you have a pocket inside with this sort of material here. And then you have the Velcro. And so this is normally where people will carry their firearm or whatnot. But you can put whatever you want here, depending on what your outdoor adventures are. It is a great pack. Now, I'm a big fan of green, but not all greens are made equally. So this is a different type of green as opposed to this particular green. Matter of fact, the netting is closer to this particular green made by Savata. But I like them both. I like the different combination. You know, when you have things like this, I sort of like to have multiple colors. First of all, I enjoy earthy colors, and those colors are going to be the green, browns, and blacks, and some grays. Those are earthy colors. And so I like to stick with those neutral colors when I'm out and about in the wilderness, the woods, whatever you want to call it, the backcountry. And I can blend in without being seen so easy. And of course, my clothing and my entire setup and backpack and whatnot, everything is blending into the environment. So rather than wear either one solid color, I like to break it up a little bit. That way I look more like the trees, the leaves, the grounds, and the bark of the trees and whatnot. But they're great packs. They're large, and I prefer large because unlike a lot of things that you hear today, you have been hearing for quite some years, people believe in 72-hour bug-out bags. I'm not a fan of a 72-hour bug-out bag because 72 hours, well, I don't believe realistically that that's going to apply to a lot of people, depending on the circumstance. So what I like to carry and make sure I always have with me is a large hip sack and a large chest rig. And this will ensure that I can carry enough material or products in here to suit me in case I need to shelter out somewhere over what you would call 72 hours. So this is my everyday carry, my EDC. And inside of here, there's a multitude of products, and there's more that'll be going in here. What I love about this setup is that you could put on a level 1, possibly a level 2 underneath your jacket, and this can go over it, and so it's very comfortable. I enjoy the fact that these companies are listening to their customers, and they're making items that suit every size available. And I'll tell you something, I absolutely love it. This company here, Heals People Gear, I kid you not, they make a multitude of different packs like this, and other packs, of course, rucksacks and whatnot. I'll tell you something, there's a few more chest rigs packs that I'd like, but it would make no sense for me to purchase and have multiple chest rigs. A couple of them is fine, but when I see individuals with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm like, what's the purpose? These things are not cheap here. This is reasonably priced. This is not cheap here. So you're paying a premium dollar for an American-made product, but I still got the greatest quality out of Finland, and I'm not paying nearly as much as I'm paying here. Now, I know these are two different products, and I haven't seen anything on the Finland site at Savota that actually carries chest packs. I'd have to look again. But nevertheless, I wanted to share these with you folks. So when you go out and about, here's what you have. And hopefully I can come back with a second review and once I'm all loaded and kitted out. You guys take care. I wanted to share these with you, and I hope that you find them very interesting. And if you're looking for these, I suggest you go to Heal People Gear site. I'm not affiliated with them. Or you can go to Savota. That will be spelled Savotta. Until next time, shalom.